Have you ever wondered how the comfortable mattress foam you sleep on every night is made? It's a question that might keep you up at night if not for that very foam cushioning you into slumber. The story of mattress foam is an intriguing one, steeped in an evolution of comfort and human ingenuity. Our journey begins centuries ago, when the concept of a mattress was as simple as a heap of straw or a sack of feathers. Straw, feather, wool, these were the humble materials of the past, layered and packed to create a surface for sleep. Each element brought its own qualities to the table, a blend of rustic comfort and practicality. The early mattresses were a far cry from the plush foam we're accustomed to today, but they laid the foundation for an industry centered around the pursuit of a good night's sleep. From humble beginnings, mattress foam has come a long way, but how did we move from straw and feathers to the comfort of foam? The journey to the mattress foam we know today was not a straight path. It's a tale woven with threads of innovation and necessity, beginning with the advent of inner spring mattresses in the 19th century. This breakthrough, a response to the discomfort of rudimentary straw and feather beds, transformed the bedding industry. A system of supportive springs offered a level of comfort and durability previously unimaginable. However, the inner spring mattress was just the first step. The 20th century heralded a new era for sleep technology with the introduction of polyurethane foam. This synthetic material, initially developed for insulating purposes, found its way into our bedrooms. Its unique ability to contour to the body's shape while providing support was a revelation, laying the foundation for the modern mattress foam we've come to love. The discovery of polyurethane foam was a game-changer, but the journey didn't stop there. The quest for the perfect night's sleep continues, driven by relentless innovation and the human desire for comfort. Enter the era of modern comfort, where innovation and technology redefine the way we sleep. The 60s marked a significant turning point as the space race propelled advancements in various fields, including bedding. NASA developed memory foam to improve the safety of aircraft cushions. This temperature-sensitive material molds to the body, providing unparalleled support. Fast forward to the 90s, and memory foam made its commercial debut, transforming the mattress industry. This material, once exclusive to astronauts, found its way into our bedrooms, offering a sleep experience like no other. But the story doesn't end there. The relentless pursuit of comfort led to further innovations. Mattress manufacturers introduced gel-infused foam, offering a cooler sleep surface. They also developed open-cell foam, which has a porous structure to increase breathability and regulate temperature. The evolution of mattress foam has truly revolutionized our sleep. But how exactly is this comfort crafted? Crafting mattress foam is a blend of science and innovation. It's a process that begins with two key ingredients, polyols and isocyanates. When these two substances react, they create polyurethane, the primary building block of mattress foam. Once the polyurethane foam has been created, it's time to shape it into a mattress. This involves cutting the foam into specific sizes and layering it to achieve the desired level of comfort and support. Each layer plays a critical role, with denser foams providing firmness and lighter foams offering a soft, cushioning effect. But the process doesn't end there. The mattresses undergo rigorous testing to ensure their quality and durability. They're subjected to pressure, heat, and various other conditions to simulate years of use. This ensures that every mattress provides lasting comfort and support, night after night. So there you have it, the fascinating journey of mattress foam, from humble beginnings to the comfort we sink into every night. We hope you've enjoyed this enlightening journey through the evolution of mattress foam, from its humble beginnings to the intricate process of its production. We've seen how the blend of science and innovation has transformed simple chemical compounds into the comfy foam mattresses we all know and love. Now, every night when you sink into the comfort of your bed, you'll know a bit more about the incredible journey that your mattress has been through. Isn't it amazing to think about? If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. And if you want to continue exploring the fascinating world around us, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We have plenty more journeys into everyday items waiting for you. So, until next time, sleep tight on your comfy foam mattress and keep your curiosity alive.